Hello everybody, and thank you for watching today's video. During the last month, I wasn't able to upload a new video every week as I usually do because I have been very busy. But here we are now, and soon I will return to the normal routine. I must say I am very excited for today's video for a number of reasons. Firstly, I bought this drone a couple of weeks ago, which I haven't opened yet as I wanted to do it together with you. Secondly, I have no previous experience in flying a drone, so my first try will be right after this unboxing. I bought this drone for my business and it will also serve me for future videos on my channel, so it will be very interesting. For those who are first-time viewers, I am Tzachi and welcome to my channel, in which you will find videos and tutorials about new and vintage Apple products, cameras and lenses. So today, together, we will open DJI's Mavic 3 Cine. Now we will focus on the contents of the box and its technical details, and I will upload a more in-depth review in the near future. As you can see, this is a premium combo packing, which is the most expensive of all Mavic 3 editions, and the two main reasons I purchased it was because of the new Pro Control, which arrives only in this edition, and because it has the most advanced filming abilities in the Cine model, which by the way is short for cinematic. And now let's see what we have in the box. Wow, whoa, it's heavy. Okay, this bag feels very high quality, and note that the strap can be adjusted in 3 different ways. I will first take out the entire contents of the box and we will go through them one by one. In this box we have a total of 3 batteries, 2 here and 1 inside the drone. According to DJI, the battery should last for 48 minutes of flying time in optimal conditions. In the reviews I have watched, the average battery time is 35 minutes, which is not bad at all. Take into account that the charging time needed to fill the battery from 0 to 100% is about 1.5 hours. First, let's see what we have inside the black box. This is the triple charger, which allows us to charge all 3 batteries together. Here in this black bag we have the ND filters, a total of 8. I intend to check every single one of them and see which I will use the most, if at all. As I said, in my next in-depth review I will talk about everything. And you know what? This is the perfect time to remind you to subscribe to my channel so that you won't miss my next review about the drone and other interesting ones. I really appreciate it. Here we have the cable which transfers everything we film on the drone directly to the computer. The drone has a built-in 1 TB memory card, which is really a lot, and the main reason for it is because you have the option to film with the Apple ProRes only with this version, and these files take up a lot of space because of their quality. Take into account that in order to transfer the recorded material from the built-in card into the computer, your battery must have at least 30% charge. This is why you might want to consider buying another memory card which you can connect to the drone. DJI recommends a memory card of up to 512 GB. Here we have a USB cable and props which are used in case one of them breaks. Here we have the new Pro control, which I can't compare to the previous model, but it does feel very light and comfortable to hold. Here we have the drone itself, which is covered in hard case, which is also magnetic and covers the drone on every side. Wow. The batteries enters here, and this is where you can charge a drone and add a memory card. It looks amazing and feel very light. Guys, I'm going to charge the batteries and the control now. Update the drone and go out to fly the drone and check all its abilities so that I can bring you the results soon. Thank you for watching today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.